익숙한 이 pain 기억 속에 내가 보여 Dance with me, dance with me, dance with me Take on more transform me, transform me.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be checking out more ATEEZ. I have just randomly chosen 4 more music videos, and the first one is Pirate King, which is their debut alongside with Treasure, which I checked out in my last video, so I'm finishing up that debut era, I guess, music video wise at least. And we're also checking out AURORA, Fireworks, I'm the One, and The Real. So yeah, let's get to it. I do believe I know this song, Pirate King, because I think I watched the music video when it first came out, but it's been ages, so I don't think I remember anything. But yeah, let's hear it. Is it English? Yeah. That location is beautiful. Oh, that beat. He's rocking the green hair. Oh. Oh my god. Will you be my friend? Oh. Okay. I love his laugh in the beginning of his verses. Like, oh my god. Especially in Guerrilla when it's like panning between the earphones. It's just like, oh, I love it. But I either never heard this one and I heard Treasure, or I didn't have any taste, because if I heard that back then and I didn't decide to stand, like, what was I doing? This is so good. Yo, Hifo. Ooh, dance break. Wait, is this already? Wow. Okay. In case you didn't notice, I love this song. What? Oh my god. Okay. I'm adding that to my playlist right after this video, and this is probably gonna be the most played one in the next couple days, because what? That chorus with like this really with my friend kind of modulated children's voice, and then that drop of okay. Starting off great. Next one, Aurora. Ooh, he looks soft with that pink hair. Ooh, Mingi looks Mingi looks cute here. The short hair. Ooh, you know with the blue? Ooh. What's the choreo? Going to be the darkest which most shining. Ooh. Oh, I love this part. Just those isolated beats. I love this choreo. A lot of contemporary elements. This was visually as well really beautiful, like really matching to the song, especially like the effect of the aurora on the bridge, and then the night view in, I'm guessing, just a park, something. Really beautiful, and in the daylight, the big tree behind them, just very, very pleasing. Yeah, and it was a performance version, so obviously we've seen a lot of the choreo, but I really want to check out the dance practice to that one especially because I feel like there were so many contemporary elements which I really like. So yeah, I can't wait to see that whole thing without cuts. Oh, okay. Fireworks, I'm the one. Since I started reacting to ATEEZ, I had a lot of recommendations for like other reactors doing ATEEZ reactions. And I've seen lots of people going crazy over fireworks, like the thumbnails. So let's see what this is all about. Ooh, outfits. The red just said. He looks good in that. Ooh. Your song is in red is unnecessary. The pink hair is also unnecessary. Did not see any of the lyrics. Ooh, Hongjun's hair. Love it. Slick back hair. Ooh. Ooh. This is fun. Maybe slowing down a. I guess I know why everyone was freaking out now. The crop top. I get it. Oh, I love Woo-young with the highlights. His laugh again. Yosang, he looks great with that black hair, but what I wanted to say was I love his low voice. Such a nice contrast. Wow. The image of the tree on fire is. Wow. Look at that. Okay, what? And red. Oh, Jesus, those red outfits. Ooh. Ooh. I like this one a lot as well. Wow, this apocalyptic setting, which I know they have a storyline. I don't know if that was, I'm guessing this probably was connected to a storyline. I'm not diving into that yet. But I definitely want to check that out, like everything, all the teasers and everything related to the storyline they have released. I want to watch everything just so I can piece together as much as possible because I love that shit. So if you have like a list of everything in order, that would be great. If you post that in the comments, let me know. So at one point I can get through everything and try to make sense of it, which sometimes I'm more successful than others. So yeah, it's always fun. So okay. We're already at the last one. This is the real. I can't read the English, the Korean, and I don't know if that is. I don't think that's Korean. I don't think I've never seen that character in Korean, at least. Maybe this is Chinese and Japanese. All right. Ooh, love the oh my god, why kind of traditional instruments, Jesus. ATEEZ High School. Ooh, I love the instrumental already. They look good in hanboks. And in a leather jacket. Wait, was that one of the songs they did at the TMAs that I've watched? Because I just realized it sounds very familiar. I think that was the other song that I didn't know. I love the lyrics. This is like their biography almost. Was it? Okay. Oh, feeding all the pigeons. The leaders we are, humble and kindness. Not that tongue-in-cheek thing. Ooh.
춤 들어가요.
Oh. What movie is this? What? This is crazy. Passbook. Ooh, I love a snake earring. Your son came, looking like a boss. Get it, Mingy? Ooh.
이런 게 바로 멋입니다.
Love the credits. Because music videos like those deserve credits. Bloopers.
이런 게 바로 멋입니다.
Alright, that's it for this video. I'm so glad I checked those out. I really like all the songs. Yeah. I'm excited to check out more, see maybe some dance practices, and well, I still have quite a few music videos to go, I think. And yeah, of course, album listens and all that stuff. So I'm excited. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.